Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, let us continue our class about number names from 170 to 180. So let's learn with me. 171 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 ONE1 171 172 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 TWO 172 173 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 THREE 173 174 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 FOUR 174 175 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 FIVE 175 176 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 SIX 6 176 177 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 SEVEN 177 178 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 EIGHT 8 178 179 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SEVENTY 70 NINE 9 179 180 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 EIGHTY 80 180. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.